Let's start practice English. What is your name?
My name is Carlos.
How old are you?
I have 22.
Did you mean this? I'm 22.
Oh, yes, right. I'm 22.
Carlos, where are you from?
I am France.
Carlos, nice try, but you should say, I'm from France.
I'm sorry, I make mistakes. I am from France.
No problem at all. We will improve your English by talking together every day. Hi, if you want to talk to me, now's the time. HiLingo is now available on the App Store and Play Store. Download now and start talking to Lingo.